Hi, I'm John Ashton, and it's lovely to be at the event tonight. Tonight we're doing seared salmon. We've marinated it in some Chinese-style marinade, and then we're bringing it over to India. We're going to be doing biryani, butternut squash, which is still on the marketplace, with peas, and then we're going to serve that with a cream sauce and a honey pomegranate sauce. It's going to be so yummy. I think it's going to dance on the people's palates like the YMCA.
Thrilled to be here. I'm Jody Adams, to be at the Super Hunger Chef Challenge at the Four Seasons Hotel, and I am doing the dessert, which is pan-roasted pears with hazelnut caramel.
Hey, I'm Mark Rafali. I'm from Pigalle Restaurant and Marco Restaurant of Boston, and it's a pleasure to be here donating our time for the food bank. We're making our version of a peppered sirloin steak tataki. It has microgreens, sliced sirloin, scallion pancakes, and ponzu.
Incredibly flavorful and really delicious, and I really liked it.
The food was excellent. The scallion pancakes are amazing.